Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enter one-time boot menu on HONOR MagicBook. So in order to do it, you need to first just shut down your laptop if it's already on. I'm gonna press and hold on the power key. Of course, you can do it in a different way. Then I'm gonna press on the power key and repeatedly start pressing on the F12 key on my keyboard. Then, as we can see, here are my boot devices because I'm in the one-time boot menu. You can use the arrows to choose the device, then click on enter to boot from that device. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.